Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with your weekly weather update for Monday the 29th of April. Now, we've seen a pretty settled weekend across the country thanks to a large high pressure system, but we are expecting a change across the southeast today with a cold front bringing showers and much cooler temperatures. We may also finally see a bit of patchy rainfall for parched parts of southern WA this week. So let's start in the east. We can see the cold front moving up the coast, bringing showers and cold air over the southeast over the next couple of days. We also see showers continuing to push onshore along the Queensland coast. Now, interestingly, by the time we get to Thursday, we start to see these showers developing over inland parts of New South Wales. Now, this is a surface trough that is getting its energy from an upper level low pressure system. And as this system moves eastwards, it will deepen and it may even bring a fairly wet weekend to eastern parts of New South Wales. So if you have outdoor events planned this coming weekend in that part of the world, make sure you stay up to date with our latest forecasts. Moving over to the west now, we can see this coastal trough and a low pressure system developing tomorrow. Now that's going to be the system that's bringing some much needed rainfall to southwestern parts of WA. We can see it along the coast, but also inland around the central wheatbelt and other parts of the southwest land division. And now this rainfall is not expected to be heavy. We're expecting most places to see between 1 and 10 millimetres, but there will be some thunderstorms embedded in it, and that could bring some isolated falls, very hit and miss, but some isolated falls of 10 to 30 millimetres. Now, as we move into Thursday and Friday, we can see a follow-up cold front moving through, continuing some shower activity through the south. But once we get towards the weekend, this high pressure system will move in and give us drier conditions over the weekend. Taking a look at our temperatures now, we can see that the cool air has moved into the southeast, with temperatures dropping down into the high teens. 17 for Melbourne, 16 for Hobart, 20 in Adelaide. Canberra expected to reach 21, but in Sydney, where the front will arrive much later, getting up to 27 ahead of that front. 26 in Brisbane, 35 in Darwin, and over in Perth, 27 degrees. Tomorrow is our coldest day over the southeast. That's when the really cold air will be moving over us. So we are expecting potentially even some snow above about 800 metres over Tasmania, possibly some small hail along the south coast. So we could see temperatures as low as max temperatures as low as 15 degrees for Melbourne and Hobart, 18 degrees for Adelaide, just 16 in Canberra, and the cool air has reached Sydney just a top of 21 degrees. Hasn't reached southeast Queensland though, 25 degrees for Brisbane, also 25 in Perth, and through the north remaining in the mid-30s. As we move into Wednesday, we've got very settled conditions with cool temperatures through the south, warmer temperatures through the north, getting up as high as 28 degrees in Perth. But by Thursday, that cool air is starting to penetrate southeast Queensland, the max temperature dropping to 24 degrees in Brisbane. And Friday, very similar conditions, just a little bit cooler, 26 degrees in Perth as that cold front moves through. And that's it for our weekly weather wrap. Stay up to date with all the latest forecasts and warnings on our app and our website, and we'll see you again soon.